I'm going to show you how to access our MyMathLab assignments using Canvas. So when you log in, you're either on Home or Modules. Remember, that's where you find everything for our course. And at the top, I have placed this MyMathLab assignments. So your MyMathLab assignments, that's going to be your homework, your quizzes. So it will open to a new tab. So make sure you're using Google Chrome as your browser and you have downloaded it because it matches with Google Chrome and doesn't crashes. All right, so to open your MyMathLab, you'll click on click here for your assignments link. And then you'll see it load into a new window. So it's going to bring you to a separate website. The first time you click on it, you will agree to the terms and that you won't copy it and use it and all that stuff. So Pearson terms. And then it'll bring you to our home page. So here you will find all of Unit 1, homeworks and quizzes. The blue circles, that is your homework. The yellow square is the quizzes. And then the diamond, the green diamond, is our practice test. So for all of them, you can retake it a million times. I have no limit. So for all of your homework, quizzes, practice tests, you can get 100%. MyMathLab is 30% of your grade. So that's either bumping you up a letter grade or bringing you down a letter grade. So you can get 100%. This is what you can control. And it's also helpful because, again, math is repetition. The more you do it, one type of problem over and over and over and over, it clicks. Then move on to the next type of problem. Over and over and over and over, it clicks. Just like a foreign language. So with the homework will show up as individual questions when it loads. Here you go. So here are the individual questions. So if you get it wrong, that's okay. It will give you a new problem just like it. And then you can get a green check mark. Then move on to the next one. So when you open it, your list of questions will be here. And then in the circle, they'll have the green check marks. And then you'll solve. Make sure when you are putting your answer for MyMathLab, do not put any spaces in this box. So if the answer is a negative number, you'll do -4. I didn't work it out. I don't know the answer, but there are no spaces. MyMathLab cannot register a space, so do not accidentally do that. If you need to list multiple X's, you'll do like 4, 6, no spaces. If you are doing a fraction, the fraction bar is at the bottom, and you can either use your tab or the next or click on the arrow. But you can either click on the arrows to move on and then hit check answer down here. What else? That should be it. Just make sure you don't have any spaces. So for the quizzes, you have to take them all at once. If you get one wrong, you have to retake the entire thing. That's the only problem with the quizzes. All right, if the quizzes are the only things loading and your homework is not loading into a new tab, then it might be your browser. So you need to mark it safe. In that little window that I accidentally cut out, there are steps to mark your browser safe. So you'll come here, and then I have steps on MyMathLab on how to get it. And it's under your settings, your security settings. So you have to make sure that you have MyMathLab as one of your safe sites. So site controls for pop-ups. It's blocking the homework from opening up. So the homework does work. So you'll need to make MyMathLab a safe site by pasting this address and then maybe pasting MyLabPearson.com, different versions of it, and then closing it all out, reopen it, and it should work after that. So your homework should open up into a new tab. And if it doesn't, if you go back here to modules, I have the steps written out for you under MyLab right here. If your MyLab homework is not working, follow these steps. If something else is going wrong, here's the help desk, and they have a chat feature with Pearson, and you can do the chat feature. And here's the textbook. You won't ever need the textbook. I have the notes, I have the PowerPoints on there, but if you would just like to refer to it, the textbook is there.